Thank you for joining in today. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications on my weekly art lessons. Today I have something a bit different. I decided to do one of the art challenges. This one is the 3-marker art challenge, and to be honest, I don't have that very many markers, so I just covered up my eyes and stuck my hand in a drawer and I pulled out 3 of them, and I have pulled out there's 2 blues and a red. So for me, the red was definitely a challenge to use throughout this picture, but I tried to sneak it in with the blue and where the shadows are to create a little bit more of a purple. And I placed it throughout the picture. Some people already started off with a pencil drawing, or they were using the other materials, but I stayed true to only using the 3 markers.